You keep doing push-ups again and again, and somehow you expect to wake up looking like a Greek statue. Let's be real for a second. Push-ups do build your chest, that's true, but they do almost nothing to give you that wide, powerful upper body look, and that's exactly why your physique still looks flat. Your arms don't pop from the sides, your shoulders don't create that strong frame, and your body lacks that sharp V-taper that actually makes people turn their heads. If you want that aesthetic look, wide at the top, tight at the waist, then you need to stop repeating the same basic movements and start targeting the muscles that actually create width. And the most ignored muscle? Your side delts. That's the real game changer. Your front delts already get hammered from push-ups, bench press, and every pushing movement you do. But your side delts? They're being neglected completely. And that's why your physique doesn't look impressive from the front. Today, we fix that. I'm giving you 3 powerful exercises you can do at home that will completely transform how your shoulders look. No machines, no excuses, just results. Let's get into it. Exercise number 1, leaning lateral raise. First, stop doing lateral raises the wrong way. Standing straight, swinging heavy weights, using momentum like crazy. That's not training, that's ego lifting, and deep down, you already know it. Here's the problem. When you stand upright and lift the weight, there's almost zero tension on your shoulder at the bottom of the movement, which means you're missing one of the most important parts for muscle growth. So we change the setup. Grab a light dumbbell, or if you're at home, a water bottle, a backpack, anything with weight. Now stand next to a door frame or any stable support. Hold it with one hand and lean your entire body away from it. Let your working arm hang freely. From here, raise your arm out to the side slowly. Feel that? That constant tension from the very beginning? That's exactly what you were missing. Leaning changes the resistance completely. It forces your side delt to work harder, longer, and more effectively. Now control the movement on the way down. Don't just drop the weight. And listen carefully. Keep your shoulders down. If your shoulders start rising toward your ears, you're no longer training your delts, you're just hitting your traps. Stay strict. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Your shoulders will feel it instantly. Exercise number 2, face pulls. Let's talk about posture. You sit all day. You look down at your phone. Your shoulders roll forward, and slowly your entire upper body starts collapsing. Your rear delts become weak, your posture looks terrible, and your physique loses that strong, upright appearance. We fix that right now. Take a resistance band or even a towel. Anchor it above head level, door, hook, anything stable. Grab it with both hands, step back, create tension, and pull it straight toward your face. As you pull, squeeze your shoulder blades together, hard. Imagine trying to hold something between them. This movement isn't about speed, it's about control. Slow reps, full contraction, full control. Face pulls don't just build your rear delts, they pull your shoulders back into the correct position. Your chest lifts, your posture improves, and suddenly your body looks stronger without even flexing. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Burn is normal, that means it's working. Exercise number 3, pike push-ups. Now we move to strength, because aesthetics without strength doesn't last. Get on the floor. Push your hips up high, like an inverted V shape. Walk your feet closer to your hands. Keep your legs straight if possible. Now slowly lower your head toward the floor. Not directly between your hands, slightly forward, forming a triangle shape. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle. Lower yourself with control. Pause. Then push back up with full force. This exercise turns your body weight into resistance and puts serious load on your shoulders. It's not easy, and that's the point. If you can't do full reps, modify it. Bend your knees or elevate your feet on a chair, but don't skip it. This movement builds real overhead pressing strength and gives your shoulders that dense, powerful look. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 clean reps. Quality over quantity, always. Now listen carefully. If you want that wide, dominant upper body, you cannot ignore your side and rear delts anymore. These muscles are what create the illusion of a smaller waist and a bigger, more aesthetic frame. Not endless push-ups, not random workouts. Smart training, focused training, effective training. Add these 3 exercises into your routine. Stay consistent, and your body will change. No shortcuts, no magic tricks, just proper execution. Now you've got a choice. You can go back to doing the same thing and stay exactly where you are. Or you can apply what you just learned and start building a physique that actually stands out. If you're serious, drop a comment right now. Tell me which exercise you're starting with. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real no BS fitness content, and most importantly, put in the work. Because results don't come from watching, they come from doing. See you in the next one.